Anyway, guys, a little more backstory on this. So some people 3D printed this, and they made it try to be like almost indestructible. So my friends want to see if we could break it. So yeah, I'll probably be showing in the beginning a little bit of like I was talking about right now. We're trying to destroy it. Let's see if you can destroy it. Actually, nope, not at all. Oh, actually, we're starting to get a little bit over here. Please. And still, it's not broken. How? Here, we're gonna throw it really, really high. So, here, you guys get a look at the sky. Hope you guys got to kind of see that. Okay, I think this time we're gonna throw it really, really high. So, yeah. So I guess the first way I guess we should just maybe check or something. Okay. Guess there's no break in this. Well, that's very depressing. Here. Some will break. Okay, I think we might have got some damage over here. It's like right there. Corners. Starting to get a little bad. Doing my bleeding. Here. We're gonna chuck it again. This thing is literally almost indestructible. It just looks like the corners are getting bent. And even like right here, still is not getting that damage. Okay, maybe, I don't know what to try anymore. Alright guys, so the next thing I think we're gonna do is we're gonna try to shoot it, and hopefully maybe that will do some damage to it. And the first shot we completely missed. So now we're going to go into our second shot, and we completely missed. And now we're going to go into third shot. Okay. That literally did no damage to it. That last time I hit it, it looks like the corners was getting hit. Yeah. It's not getting destroyed whatsoever. Here. Maybe if we like, still not getting destroyed. Oh, hey, we got some actual damage here. It looks like when we shot, it might have actually done some damage. Right here is very broken, as you can tell. So why not? I think I'm gonna try. Well, I guess nothing happened after that one. Just looks like this part might be tearing a little bit. I think that might be it. Okay. Now to plan C, I guess. I think this time we might as well try to drop some bricks on it. So that completely failed. That literally, actually no, I can start to feel something. Looks like almost all this side is getting destroyed here. That top part came off. Right here, there's a lot of stuff. Right there's a lot of damage. So it looks like we're doing pretty good. Now let's go to plan B. Why not throw it at a wall? And again. Why not again? You guys completely missed that. Okay, so I guess the next thing we might as well do is just chuck it. I'm gonna throw it really high up. Maybe it broke this time. There it is. Really? No damage? This thing is like indestructible. I don't think it will be after this. How? Let's see. Alright, let's try it. Oh my god. That actually might have done some damage. I think the first part, this might be getting a little cracked. I think that might be it. Oh, okay. Well, here's a piece of it, and here's a piece of it, and here's a piece of it. I think we might have got, okay. I actually know where it went. So this is, oh, here it is, okay. Wow. Look at that damage right there. I think you could say we almost actually broke it. It's just one side right here. If you keep dropping it right there, maybe it might actually break somehow. Let's see. And close enough. Oh gosh. That just snapped. That just snapped. That just snapped. That just snapped. There. Let's check this out. Yeah, that just snapped. Oh my god. We're almost done with it. Let's go. Right here, we're gonna drop it right here. Nothing fell off except for a few pieces. Looks like. Wow, this is how strong a 3D printer literally is. This is pretty indestructible. Here, you throw it up again. Oh, here's some more pieces. Oh no. Let's see it. This looks like as if we could, oh god. That just broke right in my hand. Oh yeah, that's pretty destroyed. This is the cube. Still not broken it yet though. I don't think we did much damage that time. Impressively. Oh my god. Here. See if we can snap it open. Okay. Let's see it. Looks like we got a little bit. Oh, this part's starting to snap too now. Right there. Okay. I think we might as well shoot some shots on it. Okay. Guess we might as well shoot some baskets with it. First chuck was a complete miss. And now we're doing the second chuck. And it went over. Take 3. Well, me a shot. Let's see what happened to it. Alright guys. I don't know really what we've done to it from that shot, but not much. I think that might have just snapped off. Let's see. Oh god. Nothing happened. Maybe we can try. Yo, that just went everywhere. There's another piece. Oh my god. Here it is. Yo, look at that. It rolled right back to me. Yo, look at how they made the inside of that. Those circles, maybe? Where did it go? Right in between the rose bushes, so wish me luck. Ow, ow. Oh god. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Oh! Oh, it's all stuck in me. Oh god. We got it. Oh god, this is not a good thing. Oh, those are all thorns. Oh hey. Well, the ball's fine, I guess. Okay, let's check it out. Come on, please be broken already. Oh god. This thing really, like, almost isn't indestructible. Yo, it'd be nice to live in this thing. Literally nothing. Here, we got some brick right here. Maybe we should. That literally did not. We're gonna do off the brick again, I guess, because I guess we can. Okay, let's do it. Ugh. Oh, we got a big mess, if anything. Okay. Dang, I thought that was gonna be. Oh my god. Who was expecting it to go this long? Whoa. I would use like a screwdriver or something like that to like take it off. Yeah, I can just snap it off right now. I'm not gonna do it because kind of more. Yo. Well, first of all, we got this piece, and all this is like the hugest chunk we've got yet out of it. Yo, is it? Oh my god. Whoa. That is almost destroyed. I mean, I don't know what the heck you would even use this for. Anyone to see that ginormous piece just fly? Wow. It's almost broken, I think. I think the, that was a big oof. Okay. Here, this next one. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing this one on the ground. But hopefully, you guys will be able to see it. That was the first one. I think we might have broken it. Alright guys, we got all this. Oh my god, that's like half of the thing. Oh my god. We got more pieces over there. Oh my god. Here it is. Oh. Oh. Wow. We haven't done. Okay, I think we might do another one of these special things because they're pretty fun. Alright guys, here's your second one. That did nothing. Oh my god. Here, number 3. That was another side done. Oh man, we got this whole part. And look at that. The whole side is gone. Okay, maybe we should wait till the next montage. But let's move over here now. It's also really, really sharp. Oh my god. So it looks like the one side that's not straight at all is this one, which I said would be the least easiest to break. Well, that just flew up. It's not as hard. Yeet. Okay. Fun times, fun times. Dang, that's crazy. Okay, I think we're gonna throw it again. Alright guys, so yeah. It's really just, whoa! Yo, look at that. Almost the whole thing's broken here. I don't know what else to do. I mean, we could throw that rock, but what fun would that be? Okay, that was fun. That wasn't even on a rock. Yeah. Here, maybe we should do that one. That's a little fun. Oh man. Then we have the next idea. We're just gonna chuck it up and see what happens to it. Oh god. That literally did nothing. Chucking up does not do anything for some reason. Yeah. I actually have no idea what happens if we put some wire, so I don't think it's gonna do anything, but maybe we should try it or something. Let's see. Maybe it'll get more soggy or something and be easier to break. Nah, that's a little pointless. Fun times. Here, my next idea, I don't really want to just easily break it. I'm gonna use this stick, look like an idiot, try to break it right here. All I've done is just broken my stick. Okay, here. Oh my god. Yeah, we are, surprisingly, someone actually breaking it. Yo, I just have an idea. I just got it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna place my camera like right around here. Oh god. You guys can just watch me hit it a bunch. Oh my god, I almost just broke my camera. This is not a good thing. I'm gonna try to hit some of the sides that are more broken. Oh my god, that's like, wow. How could you guys not even see that? Wait a second. Well, like half of the thing I think might have just broken off into the woods a little bit, but can't even hold it anymore. Okay, there we go. That's pretty short. Okay, here. Whatever. It just got really blurry all of a sudden. Alright, here. I'm gonna pick up my stick again. We're gonna go back to hitting it for some reason. I think we should. Yo. Guys, by the way, I was thinking about getting a GoPro for the channel. Leave a like and comment down below if you think I should get a GoPro for the channel. Oh my god. Yeah, might actually be. Here, yeet. See my stick that I probably needed. Whatever. Yeah, so like half of it's there, the other half isn't. It's only side surviving, which might actually be the best side, surprisingly. Yeah, that piece that just flew off, that was not the big piece. Oh my god. I think there's like something we could use to just like snap it already. You guys can kind of hear that noise. That's what's making. So. Oh wait, we can actually just probably break it right now. You ready? Here. I'm not gonna break it right here. Here. I'm gonna put it right here. I'll place. Oh god, that's not gonna work. Alright guys, well I think we might have gotten it. Yeah, I think we might as well snap it off. You guys ready? Alright guys, here it is. Oh my god. Here. Here. In 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Yo, this is me trying to blend it. It's like sticky. Yo, that's crazy. Okay, here anyway, we might as well chuck that part, and we're gonna chuck this part. We were going to. Looks like, okay. Okay, I think I might have figured out how they built it. I'm about to tell you guys. Alright guys, so it looks like the way how they made this is they took like this part and if it's like really sticky, so it like sticks together really easily. So I think that might have been the way, which isn't that helpful of a guy, but I think we might as well go chuck it. And the second one. Let's go check them out. First of all, what the heck happened on this one? Did nothing. But this one over here, literally just flew all over here. So, yeah. I mean, I guess we could. I think we're just gonna break this guy, and then I'm gonna show you guys why this one's the best pattern. Yeah. So here's this one. That doesn't really matter. And it fell on my shoe. Okay. This part, so yeet. Oh, I actually kind of needed that part. Whatever. Now here's the other reason why this one is so good. The patterns. I don't actually know because I'm not like a scientist or anything. I'm not really smart either. But the only reason is because it looks like this pattern was the only one that really it was built into. So the sticky stuff was built with it, and this pattern made it so when it fell, it would only attack the like the ones that are standing out more, which those ones were stuck to it a lot better than all the other ones. So it made it really hard for it to break. But yeah, we might as well break it now. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna go and break it. So yeah, let's see it. Okay. So I got that dislodged. Okay, let's get it again. Alright, we're gonna smash it again. Oh my god. And again. Alright, well that part's dead. And that part's dead. I think we have one more part though. Alright, here's this other part. Sorry, that was the other part. Oh man, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos of me breaking stuff in my backyard. And so, yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. And so, yeah, bye.